are India's first premium flow forged alloy wheel fashion brand. So we like to make wheels very artistically in terms of designs, in terms of customization, finish options we offer to our customers. Automechanika is a great show in terms of showcasing your true potential to buyers all around the world. And by buyers, we mean, of course, potential dealers and retailers, and anyone who is probably in this particular segment in terms of automotive accessory. We get a very good global exposure in terms of what we can possibly offer from an Indian manufacturer's point of view to the world, to the automotive world. And we're definitely excited that since it's such a big platform, we are definitely very excited to showcase our capabilities and our concept to the entire automotive world. To all the prospective customers and auto enthusiasts out there, definitely is going to be a bang. So we got tons and tons of new set of designs, concepts for all our automotive enthusiast customers out there. So please do visit us over there itself, and I bet it won't be disappointing at all.